Hi guys, welcome to the new episode of Her Health, Her Story. Today we have a very fascinating guest, a GST officer herself, who's very recently delivered vaginally. So let us from her hear how was her experience with that. Hi Priya.
Hello.
So every woman who gets pregnant has a very different way of dealing with their pregnancy. You with a working professional, with a government official, how was your experience? How did you manage to cope those early pregnancy days?
Initially, it was not like it was a very accidental baby. We were planning, so we were expecting during the months starting from November to December. We were expecting, and finally in Jan we came to know that I'm expecting. So, firstly, it was a very it gave us a lot of happiness because obviously we were expecting a baby and I was pregnant. Then initially it was pregnancy में आपको डर भी लगता है. जब जैसे ही आपको पता चलता है you are pregnant तो आपको डर लगता है. There are many fears. First fear is will I be able to carry my baby for 9 months? How will be my journey? Will it be very painful? तो बहुत बहुत सारे thoughts आए थे मेरे दिमाग में. Then I visited you. एंड ऑब्वियसली यू वर वेरी वेरी फ्रेंडली और आपसे मिलने के बाद डेफिनेटली मेरे सारे थॉट्स आपने पहली बात तो आपने बहुत सेटल डाउन किया मुझे. देन सी एवरीवन्स जर्नी इज वेरी यूनिक. सबकी प्रेगनेंसी अलग होती है एंड फॉर मी द प्रेगनेंसी आई वुड से इट वाज slightly smooth. Biggest credit I would like to give you, obviously.
So you and your husband have been fantastic patients. You've always been very following my advices. You always had right questions at the right time.
Yeah.
No undue expectations out of it. Take it one day at a time, enjoying the
Go
whole
with the
pregnancy
flow.
phase,
Yeah.
enjoying the whole 9 months of pregnancy.
Yeah.
Both of you were always laughing, smiling, enjoying it to the fullest. So that helps. The mental state of the pregnant
I
lady
know.
and the surrounding is the utmost important during pregnancy.
Ma'am, I agree with you. Mental state is the biggest thing which a pregnant lady should have. Positive mindset and the attitude that I can do it. Because many of my friends, after getting pregnant, they were very scared, and in one or two unfortunate cases, it led to their abortion. Because I felt that stress plays a very major role in carrying your pregnancy smoothly. Stress should not be there, and if you are stressed, then it results in some or the other abnormalities in your pregnancy. I felt so because during my pregnancy journey, I was very much stress free. I completely trusted you. I was completely dependent on your advices. Whatever you said, I followed it blindly. That's why I was not at all stressed because I thought कि मैं बहुत ही अच्छे डॉक्टर के हैंड्स में हूँ. तो इसलिए मुझे ऐसा था कि अब मैंने आपके ऊपर मतलब अपनी पूरी प्रेगनेंसी जर्नी को डिवोट कर दिया है. तो आप जैसा कहेंगी वैसा मैं फॉलो करती थी एंड इट वेंट फैंटास्टिक एंड वी डिड अ नॉर्मल डिलीवरी.
Exactly. But you were very sure from day one कि vaginal चाहिए, and I think you put in effort for it also. The exercise when I told you to do so.
Yes. Walk. From day one you said that you have to walk daily. I did that, and I remember very vividly that you said कि मतलब मेरे husband ने आपसे पूछा था can she go to her office by train. You said of course why not. She can go by train till 9th month.
Yes. And that helped. Being physically active, being mentally active rather than staying at home and not doing anything.
Yes.
Constantly stressing about what next, what next does not help.
Exactly.
When your mind is occupied somewhere, you're busy living your life, then the pregnancy also goes through.
Exactly. See, whenever you are stressed and you are at home only ना, there will be domino of thoughts. एक थॉट आएगा, उसके बाद दूसरा थॉट आएगा. ओके, मुझे ये थॉट आया कि मेरी प्रेगनेंसी कैसी जाएगी, बहुत पेन तो नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट थॉट, ठीक है प्रेगनेंसी अच्छी जाएगी, लास्ट में 8-9 मंथ में मैं पैनिक कर जाऊंगी कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, लेबर पेन आएगा, कैसा होगा लेबर पेन. आई कंप्लीटली ट्रस्टेड यू. मतलब मैंने सब कुछ आपके ऊपर छोड़ दिया था. अगर लेबर पेन आएगा भी, आपको अगर याद होगा मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि मैम लेबर पेन कैसा होता है. यू सेड लेबर पेन इज लाइक 10 times of your periods cramps. एंड आई ट्रस्टेड इट फुल्ली. मैंने कहा पीरियड्स क्रैम्प्स ठीक है, इट इज मैनेजेबल, 10 टाइम्स मैनेजेबल होगा ही. फिर अगर मैम बोल रही है 10 टाइम्स है, तो अगर इवन इफ शी इज अंडर एस्टिमेटिंग, 10 टाइम्स बोल रही है लेकिन वो 20 टाइम्स होगा तो भी मैनेजेबल होगा, क्योंकि पीरियड पेन तो मैनेज कर ही रही हूँ ना इतने सालों से.
But you were fantastic during your labor. I remember you calling me up at 3 a.m. in the night
Yeah.
saying, "Oh, my water broke." And
नहीं, it was at around 4:30 p.m. on 4th of September.
yeah, 4th of September,
Yeah.
4:30 p.m. saying that my water broke. You got admitted, and that time your
Yes.
husband was admitted in another hospital
Yeah,
with
exactly.
dengue. So
it was very much unexpected, because जब भी मैं ऐसे मैनिफेस्ट करती थी ना, हाँ मेरी डिलीवरी होगी, तो आई ऑलवेज मैनिफेस्टेड माय हस्बैंड स्टैंडिंग बिसाइड मी. लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज डेंगू बहुत ज्यादा फैल रहा था उस टाइम पे.
Yes.
एंड ही गॉट एडमिटेड इन फोर्टिस. आई वाज हियर, सो
only you and your mother-in-law.
I
But you were a
am-
fantastic cooperative patient. Never created any ruckus. Very normally waited. We waited for.
but one thing I remember, मैंने आपको around 2:30 या 3 o'clock को 3 a.m. को मैंने आपसे कहा मैम अब पेन नहीं बर्दाश्त हो रहा है, प्लीज गिव मी epidurals, and you were like no, now there is no use of giving you epidurals because by 4:30 baby will be out. और
Yes.
4:30 तक ही एपिड्यूरल्स का असर होना स्टार्ट होगा. एनेस्थीसिया अगर हम तुम्हें एपिड्यूरल के थ्रू देंगे तो वो 4:30 तक ही आएगा, उसका
Yes.
जो भी इफेक्ट होता है, जो भी आपका पेन रिलीफ होता है. By then baby will be out, and I am so thankful कि अच्छा है, मतलब रेज ऑफ द मोमेंट में आपने मुझे एपिड्यूरल नहीं दिया, आपने मेरी बात नहीं मानी और मैं उससे बच गई, क्योंकि इट वाज अ कंप्लीट नेचुरल डिलीवरी, कंप्लीटली नेचुरल प्रोसेस. नहीं तो एपिड्यूरल होता तो एक और चीज हम थोड़ा सा आर्टिफिशियल इंट्रोड्यूस करते.
Epidural भी naturally ही होता है. It is just pain free. But why I did not for your personal case did not give you, because till 2:33 a.m. you were bearing pain fantastic.
Okay.
If you told me at 3 centimeter dilatation just कि no, now I can't bear pain, I would have given you. But when you told me to give you epidural, you were already 7-8 centimeters.
Yes.
That's why it was like by the time the anesthetist do enter and give you the epidural and work, the baby will be out.
Exactly.
Because still 7-8 centimeter dilated, you were fantastic. I did not hear one cry of help from you. You were very calmly bearing down the contractions fantastically. So
that is also I'll be thankful to you only ma'am, because entire journey में आपने मुझे यही कहा तुम breathing exercise करो, तुम योगा करो. You had given me I think योगा वालों का number also.
Yes.
2 of your yoga trainers number. मैं उनको नहीं ज्वाइन कर पाई थी because there was a time restriction. I was going office till my 8th month.
Yeah.
तो मैं ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाई थी unfortunately, but I watched on the YouTube series prenatal yoga कैसे करते हैं, then breathing exercise that helped me a lot. Breathing exercise was the thing which I would recommend to every pregnant lady कि वो help करता ही है लास्ट में, जैसे लेबर पेन्स आता तो हेल्प करता है.
yes. How was it with not having a husband by your side that night?
That was very painful. पहली बात तो मतलब हस्बैंड का होना इट इज अपने आप में ही बहुत बड़ा सपोर्ट होता है, मॉरली भी फिजिकली भी. ऑब्वियसली वो सपोर्ट करते हैं आपको, आप एक्सरसाइज उस टाइम पे कर रहे हो, आपको हेल्प करेंगे. ऑल द एक्सरसाइजेस ड्यूरिंग द लेबर आई डिड ऑल बाय माई सेल्फ एंड ऑब्वियसली हेल्प्ड बाय योर स्टाफ. बट हस्बैंड होते तो बात अलग होती. देन वो जो मोमेंट होता है व्हेन द बेबी कम्स, उस टाइम पे दोनों पेरेंट अगर हो तो वो एक अलग ही इमोशन बन जाता है. वो नहीं हो पाया, बट
Yes, but he did get discharged, and first thing he did after coming discharge was come here,
Yes.
see his baby, see
Yes.
you, and then go home and freshen.
He was very excited. He was continuously on video call
Yeah.
during that time also when I was in the OT.
Yes. Okay. Post delivery, how was the journey? You had episiotomy stitch. Did it hurt?
Yes.
Were you fine with it? How did that move on?
See, first 20 days were very painful. Like सोना उठना बैठना was very painful, but after 20 days when my stitches got almost healed, it was very much normal. So मुझे उस टाइम पे exactly समझ में आया कि why हमारे जो elders होते हैं they say कि you should go for a normal delivery, क्योंकि the recovery time is very fast. 20 days यहाँ पे लगे मुझे. The friends who had their babies through C-section, they say कि उनको 3 months तक थोड़ा हल्का सा पेन रहता था अपने स्टिचेस में, प्लस उन्हें नॉर्मल नहीं लगता था उठने और बैठने में. तो
Yes, what we say as this age, yes, 10 years before the cesarean was complicated. Cesarean had a higher recovery time. but now it is you bear the pain before delivery, cesarean people bear the pain post delivery. Stitches तो दोनों में ही है. You have a vaginal, you have a perineal stitch, they have a abdominal stitch.
Yes.
So that pain somewhere is there. But how was it coping with the baby, the breastfeeding aspect? How was the post?
That was, I will say that was very difficult, क्योंकि आपको नहीं होती आदत, आपके पास एकदम से, मतलब एक दिन पहले यू वर सिंगल एंड एक दिन बाद अ वेरी टाइनी लाइफ कम्स इनटू योर लाइफ, टाइनी ह्यूमन बीइंग कम्स इनटू योर लाइफ एंड दैट इज टोटली डिपेंडेंट ऑन यू. लाइक उसका फूड भी आपके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. दैट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. स्लीप डेप्रिवेशन बहुत ज्यादा होता है, मल्टीपल नाइट फीड्स होते हैं उसके, तो नाइट में भी नहीं होती है नींद. प्लस मुझे अभी भी याद है, जैसे ही मैंने डिलीवर किया था, आपने मुझे एक सजेशन किया था, फ्रॉम टुडे यू आर स्लीपिंग व्हेन योर बेबी स्लीप्स. आई थिंक दैट इज द मोस्ट हेल्पफुल सजेशन गिवन बाय यू, क्योंकि बाद में, मतलब इनिशियली तो हमें भी आदत नहीं होती ना, जब बेबी सो रहा है तो मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही है, लेकिन लेटर ऑन हमारा माइंड मेकअप हो जाता है कि हाँ, माई बेबी इज स्लीपिंग, आई शुड स्लीप. तो उस तरह से मतलब मैंने थोड़ा सा मैनेज किया, बट फर्स्ट मंथ वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. आई वाज रियली स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड. हर समय आंखें ड्रॉप होती रहती थी कि कब मुझे सोने को मिले, बट बेबी डजंट अलाउ बिकॉज ऑफ मल्टीपल फीड्स. ही वाज ऑन एक्सक्लूसिव ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग टिल 6 months. So first month was very difficult, but then later on, with the help of all the family members, it got settled.
Yes. Also, when you are breastfeeding, like I always tell all my patients, that everybody, the whole family support is looking after the baby. Somewhere you become a secondary part, so you have to take care of yourself.
Yes.
Make sure you eat on time.
Yes.
Sleep, like you said, sleep when your baby sleeps.
Yes.
Make sure you are hydrating yourself, because finally your water intake gives you the breast milk. So your breast milk
Exactly.
depends on how much your water intake is.
Exactly.
So if you've taken care of your nutrition for the 9 months and post delivery, it becomes quite easier to tolerate or to compensate for the breastfeeding part of
Very
it.
true, ma'am. Very true. Because I myself have experienced this, and I think, I don't know you remember it or not, pre-delivery, for like 1 week or 2 weeks, I compromised my water intake, and that time oligohydramnios
Yes.
was the case with me.
Yes.
So that time you told me, no, now you have, that was the only time when you became very strict with me. That was the only time. Otherwise you were very friendly, you were you were just like a friend.
Yes.
Not like a doctor. But that day you were like, no, you have to be, you are on bed rest, then you have to be very strict on your water intake.
Small things which we take it for granted, it affects
I
you
know.
and the baby.
Actually,
So,
that time, during that time, it was my baby shower time. So that time guests
The
were also
stressful
coming, and
preparations
preparations also. So that time water intake got compromised.
everything. Yeah, but you bounced back very nicely.
Yeah.
So you've resumed work now, I think.
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I have taken a leave till end of September, because by that time my baby will be 13, almost 13 months old. So I think I'll be better prepared, and he'll be better prepared to leave me.
Okay. So as a working professional and now as a mother, which one is a better job? Which one is more fulfilling job?
As a mother.
And most tiring?
Obviously, as a mother. It is a 24/7 job. Work is not a 24/7 job. That is 8 to 10 hours job. But see, I am into a section which is called investigation in GST. That is also sometimes very much demanding. Like I still remember during my 6th month of pregnancy. I don't know whether you know or not. During my 6th month of pregnancy, I did the election duty, which I did for entire 48 hours without sleep, with just 1 hour of sleep.
Oh,
Yeah, 20th May was the
Yes.
general election in India.
yeah.
Yeah, Lok Sabha elections in India, and that time I was placed as first polling officer in South Mumbai, and that time it was the very hectic day. 19th and 20, I did entire 48 hours duty without sleep. Like I slept only for an hour.
So you already got a preliminary to your delivery and post-delivery phase.
I think yes.
That you can survive 48 hours without food,
That
without
was a
sleep.
trailer. That was a trailer, I would say.
Yes. So tell me, how did you manage your work-life balance during pregnancy?
Yes. See, till 8th month, I have already described that till 8th month I went to my office, and work life balance, work मेरा काफी ज़्यादा hectic था. During my pregnancy, I was posted in a very hectic section, which was investigation. In that section, we have to go on raids. We have to be there for sometimes days together. We have to do arrests also. तो work life balance तो initially बहुत बेकार था. But later on I requested my seniors कि आप मेरा थोड़ा सा time restrict कर दो so that I can leave my office at least by 7. मैं अपने घर 8 o'clock तक पहुंच जाऊं जिससे कि मेरे न्यूट्रिशंस कॉम्प्रोमाइज ना हो. वैसे तो मैं ट्राई करती थी कि मैं सब कुछ अपने ऑफिस में कैरी करूं, जो भी नट्स होते हैं, ड्राई फ्रूट्स होते हैं, वाटर इनटेक मेरा अच्छा हो ऑफिस में. सो लाइक दिस आई ट्राई टू मैनेज माय वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस.
That's good. Okay, now let us do fast rapid fire.
Yes.
Small, quick rapid fire. So, filing GST versus changing diapers.
Filing GST anytime.
Dealing text queries or baby's cries.
Text queries actually. Babies cries are sometimes very difficult to deal with.
Yes. Spreadsheets or storybooks.
Storybooks, they are cute.
Official meetings versus play dates.
Play dates, definitely. We get to meet very cute kids, other kids also.
And make new mama friends.
Yes.
Work deadlines or feeding times.
Feeding times, because that is the most important thing for my baby. So I would choose that only.
Client calls or cooing sounds.
Cooing sounds.
Hands down, cooing sounds. Nothing beats that.
Exactly.
Holding those tiny fingers.
Yeah, I know.
Everything is worth it.
Exactly.
Balancing nation's finances or balancing baby on the hips.
This is very difficult to choose because both are very important at their own places.
Yes.
But yes, I would choose my baby on the hip.
How important is the support system?
Very important, especially postpartum, because it helps you in faster recovery. It helps you in taking care of your baby because you are a very new mom. You don't know how to, in fact, you don't know very basic things, how to change the diapers, how to make them calm when they are crying so much. Elders sometimes tell the exact reason why they are crying because they, by experience, they would know. कि बच्चा ऐसे रो रहा है, ओके इसको गैस की प्रॉब्लम होगी, ऐसे रो रहा है, ओके इसको नींद आ रही है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स इट यूज्ड टू बी करेक्ट. So support system is a must. I would recommend all the pregnant ladies and postpartum mommies to have as much as help as they can.
It takes a village to grow the baby.
Exactly. It takes a whole village.
We are so lucky in India that we have that support system. When I
Yes.
compare myself or my patients with people from US, your friends from US, and how
Yes.
they are managing all single-handedly.
Huh.
And calling
I
mother from
know.
here is one thing, but that's only one, and that only Indian who's shifted there can do that.
Exactly.
People there, how they manage, we have no idea.
We
because
don't
here,
know.
It is such a calming presence of
I know.
everybody in
Everyone.
life.
My real brother, he stays in US, and their baby was born during COVID times. So they did not get any support system, and they still remember the horrible phase of their life where they were managing everything: the newborn baby, the new mama,
Yeah.
postpartum mom, and along with all the household chores.
Yeah, we are blessed with that.
Yes, domestic help.
Domestic help.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, postpartum, did you have any problems? Postpartum blues, postpartum feeling low.
Actually, I believe that postpartum blues happens with people who are alone, who are not having much support system. For me, I was very much blessed. I was having a support system from my parents-in-laws initially, and then my parents came for 2 months. So I don't think so I was having any postpartum blues because I was very busy with the baby. I did not have any time to have postpartum depression or postpartum blues.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for taking time out and
My
helping our
pleasure.
audience with your personal experience. Thank you.
Thank